it feel to have your very own online coaching business that does over $10,000 a month? Okay. How would it feel to actually have your very own online course that does over $10,000 a month? Well, if that sounds like something that you can get behind, I'm going to give you the 5 things that you need to do. These are 5 foundational things that you must have in place in order to do just that. All right. So if that sounds like something that you need to hear, hit that thumbs up. All right. Shoot this thing a like and make sure to leave us a comment below with all your thoughts because we want to hear from you. All right. Again, stay to the end because we've got some really cool free templates, free goodies that will help you implement this 5-step process as you either relaunch or launch your very own online coaching business or online course. Stay tuned. Welcome back. What is up? My name is Ryan McMorris. Welcome to Intentional Lifestyle Creators. This is ILC TV. If you're new, make sure that you get subscribed because we pump out videos to help coaches put together irresistible offers, help you with marketing, talk about the lifestyle, the freedom, the passive income, so you can create freedom in your life by building an online coaching business or online course. So if that sounds like something that you can get behind, make sure that you get subscribed. Make sure that you link up with us. We are all over social media and we want to help you build a successful business. All right. So today, again, we're going to be going over the 5 things that you have to have in place in order to create a very successful online coaching business. Now, me and my wife, we've been coaching people online since 2015, and it's been a journey for us. We created a multiple 6-figure coaching company, and just like I'm going to share with you, and just like we share with anybody that we help, we're going to give you the same 5-step process. Now, again, before we get in, make sure you stay to the end because we've got some really good goodies for you, some free templates, some free guides that you can start using today. They're in the description box. So before you leave this video, all right, make sure you go to the description box because we got everything you need right there to really get this thing off the ground and running, okay? Now, our story's kind of like this. We started out in the network marketing industry. We were building a network marketing business. We got it to $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month. And what happened was we started to build an audience of people that wanted to get a very similar result. So we started coaching people on how to make, just an extra $1,000 a month because that's where most people were in that industry. So our very first coaching business started out just coaching network marketers. And I'm going to say the same thing to you. When we get into these steps, it's all about, creating something that's result-based. Online coaching has been so crucial for our life because it's given us the freedom and it's like opened the doors to so many avenues in entrepreneurship. And I truly believe that one of the best pathways to freedom and true freedom in the world of online entrepreneurship is coaching because it's something that you can actually be passionate about, and you don't always have to be on the phone with people. You don't always have to be coaching them directly, and you're going to learn that in this video because we're going to share these 5 things to help you actually build a business, not just build something where you're on the phone with people all day. Problem that most online coaches face is, if you're a fitness coach, if you are a nutrition coach, if you are a business coach, whatever coaching you do, whatever consulting you do, whatever service that you provide, a lot of times you're out there getting these certifications that aren't really helping you. They're not teaching you marketing. They're not teaching you how to sell. And they're really not teaching you how to scale a business. They're teaching you all this fluff stuff. It's great. But guess what? If these people don't get in front of you, if your audience does not get in front of you, if they don't see your offers, if they don't know you exist, then you don't make any money as a coach or a course creator. You understand that? So you can go get these life coaching certifications. You can go get these fitness certifications. You can go get all this stuff and it'll make you feel good. But at the end of the day, I want to help you get in front of your ideal customer. I want to help you get in front of the people that you know you can help. And that's what this video is all about. No matter what type of coaching business you are looking to launch or create that does over $10,000 a month, make sure that you follow these 5 steps. All right, now I want to give you a really quick resource that's helped us and it helps a lot of people jumpstart their coaching business. If you have not gotten your copy, your free copy, I might add, of Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. Make sure you grab this book and you actually read it. We are going to leave a link to a free copy of this book in the description, along with some other really awesome stuff that we know you should grab. So we are going to leave a link to a free copy of Expert Secrets. All you got to do is click the link below, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff down there that can help you launch your coaching business faster. Get into those 5 things that you must do in order to get your coaching business off the ground. Now, our 3-step formula for growing a coaching business and scaling a coaching business to $1,000, $10,000, even $100,000 a month, we actually just took on a guy that we truly believe that we can help him build a coaching business that does well over $100,000 a month. And depending on what you do and how you impact and how you use this information, who knows, you could be doing the exact same thing. So step 1 in that process is you want to create an irresistible offer. Okay, so when you create an irresistible offer, that is like the offer that your audience cannot say no to. They literally would feel stupid if they say no to it. And once we create that offer, then we put together a solid traffic system or traffic plan where we put in social media. That's when we start driving traffic to that offer, because we know the more people that see that offer, the more people are going to take it. And that's where our business starts to really ascend. And then once we've got that rocking, the 3rd step is always scaling. How can we scale your business to becoming an actual system? Something that is very systematic, where you see those big coaches out there like Brendon Burchard or Tony Robbins or Marie Forleo, or all these coaches out there that you see that have actual systems. You can do the same thing, and then you can actually start charging $100,000 for one-on-one. I mean, it's crazy what you can do in this industry, but you have to follow these 5 steps that we're going to break down in step 1, creating the offer. So step 1 is providing a results-based solution for your ideal client or prospect. Okay, so let's break that down. What that means is, first you got to find the perfect person that you want to work with. You have to do a customer avatar sheet. Most people in this industry and a lot of industries just don't take the time to actually fill out a customer avatar sheet. And so what we did was we actually gave you a customer avatar sheet. It's in the description. We give you a training so you can actually go through this and fill it out. But what you have to do is you have to create a results-based opportunity for this prospect. So just like us, we created a results-based opportunity for the network marketers that we were coaching back in the day. We were going to help them make $1,000 a month in their network marketing company without having to do home meetings and home parties and yada, yada, yada. That was very results-based. If you're a fitness coach, tell people, hey, I'm going to help you lose your first 50 pounds without starving yourself. Get very results-based. And then if you want to sweeten the deal, add in a little without blank, okay? That's very, very important. So when you're doing your Facebook groups, your free groups, when you're putting out things into the internet world, make sure that ask yourself, is this results-based? And have I done a customer avatar sheet that I know exactly who I want to target online? Because the worst thing you can do, biggest mistake online coaches make, is you're talking to the wrong people, okay? Do not get caught in that trap of talking to the wrong people. It's the most deadly thing in the world that can happen in your business. So make sure, again, let's create something that's extremely specific and results-based for an ideal prospect, okay? Our perfect avatar. We call it the perfect prospect system, okay? That's step 1. All right, now, step 2 is we want to design a 3 or 5 step plan that takes them on our customer journey. Where they are right now, we kind of call like Crappyville or, Sucktown or whatever, right? Like where they are right now, they have a big problem right now. And at the end of that customer journey is where you want to take them. That's that result that you just said you were going to get them. $1,000 a month in network marketing, 50 pounds lost. I'm going to help you save your relationship. I'm going to help you avoid divorce. Whatever it is you do as a coach, that's what we have to take. We have to take them from like Sucky Town to Awesome Town, okay? And we have to break that down in a simplistic 3 or 5 step process. The other day, I saw this coaching program and I clicked on the program and I was like, okay, cool. It looks pretty. It's nice. But then it was very confusing. It was like, we're going to help you do this. We're going to help you do this. We're going to help you do all these things. You have to create a narrative in the mind of the person that says, hey, if you're a coach, I'm gonna first help you develop the offer, and then we're gonna help you put together a traffic system, and then we're gonna help you scale that business. That's a very logical 3-step plan that says, okay, cool. That makes a lot of sense to me. So you have to develop the same 3-step process for your potential customer that takes them from step 1, gets them out of crappy town, then step 2 gets them to the next step. Step 3 gets them to the next place. And then once they finish step 3, or you can do 4 and 5, it's either 3 or 5, okay, you pick. But once they've finished it, that's when they've created a result, and that's when they're gonna give you a really awesome testimonial. Understand, this is kind of tentative. We're still setting up our coaching business. So understand, when we set up this 3 or 5-step game plan for our prospect, we still have to put them through that process to see if they respond to it, to see if there's any way we can clean that up. So what you have to do is in step 2 is you have to just pencil this in, okay? This is not gonna be set in stone for now. We can always go back and change it, and we want to change it. We want to make adjustments and update it and make it better. And that's how we get to where all the ads we do and everything we put out on the internet, it's like flawless. But we have to start here. Now, step 3 is we're gonna put together a launch plan or a promotion plan for the next 5 to like 14 or 30 days, okay? You can go anywhere in there from like 5 days, 14 days, 21 days, 30 days, whatever you wanna do, but we have to put together this social media plan of how we're going to get people in a free Facebook group. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just building an audience, and we put together this game plan of exactly how we're going to take them from where they are right now to exactly where they want to be. Now we're going to say, hey, I've got this free Facebook group. So in this Facebook group, you're going to learn exactly how to make $1,000 in your network marketing business. In this Facebook group, you are going to learn exactly how to use a keto diet to lose 25 pounds in the next 30 days. You get what I mean? So we want to drive people to this free Facebook group, and we want to set a goal to actually get those people in. So let's just say I want to get 10 people into my beta group, my first kind of coaching group, okay? Now this is going to be a free group, and we're going to go over that in step 4. However, I want to go ahead and set my goals. Now we put together a really cool goal setting video that you can watch and download. I highly recommend you go through that because we walk you through all of this. And at any time through these 5 steps, you feel like, man, these 5 steps make sense, but I don't want to do it on my own. What you need to do is just go through our level 1 offer challenge. It's 30 days, and we'll walk you through these 5 steps in so much detail that you'll launch your business and you'll go crazy. Okay, you'll be so happy that you did that. But if you feel like you can do it on your own, be my guest. Please do this stuff on your own. You can do it, okay? But if you need a little help, that's okay too. So if you know you want to close 10 people into your coaching program, and you close at 10%, then guess what? You know your numbers. You need to get 100 people in your free Facebook group. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out a calendar and we're gonna say, okay, I'm going to launch my beta program on this date, okay? So 30 days from now, I'm gonna launch my beta group. And you can do a beta group at a low cost, or you can do it for free. If you're brand new, I highly recommend you do it for free. If you've gotten some results already, but you just don't have this system in place yet, like if you've made money, but you just aren't making the money that you wanna make, then do a low cost beta group. That way you can get some people in for a low cost, and then we can put together our program. So wrapping up, step number 3 is we just wanna create a promotion plan. How many Facebook Lives are you gonna do over this 30 days to get people in the group? How many people are you gonna reach out to? Are you going to run advertising? It's okay if you don't. How many blog posts are you gonna try to get people to go to? Like maybe, if you have a 30-day kind of promotion plan to get people into the free Facebook group, and then you're gonna launch your beta group like a week later, then guess what? Say I'm gonna do 2 blog posts or I'm gonna do a couple webinars. You don't have to do all that stuff. Just have a specific game plan that you can follow over whatever your launch period or promotion period is, whether it's 5 days or whatever. Just have a clear game plan to get people in that free Facebook group. And then as people are in that group, you're working with them, you're connecting with them, you're getting all the information that you want from them. The first time I did this was back in like 2015, and I started this Facebook group, and it was like a 2-week group. Now, it doesn't have to be 2 weeks. I recommend actually doing a little shorter. That way you've got their attention and you don't lose it. So like 3 days, 5 days, and then you launch your thing, okay? But what I did was I went in there for 2 weeks and I just gave a ton of value. I asked questions and I wrote down all the questions they had. And then in my sales video, all I did was repeat back to them exactly everything they told me over the last 2 weeks. And that's what you can do too. Once you've got all these people in your free Facebook group, you've got your plan set, what we're gonna do is now we're gonna launch our beta program. Now, again, your beta program can be free or your beta program can be at extremely low cost. But the point of this beta group is so for you to get people in, you start working with them as if they were paying you the amount of money that you want to make, and you go get them a result. They're like case studies. You go get them a result, you take them through the program and you kill it, you crush it for them. And then once you have those results and testimonials, now we're going to put together our marketing plan. See, this is where we can go from just coaching people one-on-one or in group. And now that we've worked with those people one-on-one for X amount of days, or we worked with the group for X amount of days, now we have the information and we can make our adjustments in our framework to put together our course or put together a membership or drive people to, affiliate marketing or whatever you want to do as we scale your business to over $10,000 a month. So hopefully this is making sense to you. So step 5, all right, is now we're gonna put together packages and an ascension plan. See, now we can go back and rework our business model to actually be a system and not just you coaching people one-on-one or you doing personal training or you just doing like group stuff. You can actually create a monthly membership that people pay every single month just to be a part of the community. Or you can have high ticket group programs, or guess what? Then you can have your one-on-one go higher, like higher ticket, okay? So if this is making sense to you, then you have to follow these 5 steps. First, we're going to get really clear on the result that we are going to give our ideal audience. That's the goal. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a tentative 3-step or 5-step framework. We're gonna create our 5 to 30 day promotion plan. Then we're gonna execute to get people to our beta group. We're gonna work with those people, get testimonials, and then we're gonna put our business model together where we can have packages, we can have courses, we can have automated courses. I mean, it can go insane once you do these 5 steps. So I wanna hear from you. What type of business are you in, or what type of business are you launching? Let us know in the comment section, and let us know if this helped you out. Again, make sure you check this stuff off. We put a checklist that you can download and some extra tips that you can follow along to make sure you are doing your coaching business online the right way. But if you need some help, make sure you take advantage of what's in the description box, and you get your access to our 30-day irresistible offer challenge, which will help you get this thing off the ground in step 1, creating the offer. Then we'll help you put together the traffic system, and then we'll help you scale your coaching business to over $10,000 a month or more. All right. So again, make sure you get subscribed to this channel. It's all about helping you create passive income, freedom, and lifestyle in your coaching business online. So if you like that, make sure you get subscribed. Make sure you take a screenshot of this, tag us on Instagram at ILC University. And if you ever have any questions for us, feel free to let us know. We're always open to help you out because we love helping coaches succeed online. And we just love online entrepreneurship. So you're in the right place. Get subscribed. We'll see you next time on ILC TV. See ya.